Hey everybody, I wanted to talk to you guys about what's going on and just a little update for the channel and such, and maybe potential things. So basically I got a new resin printer. This is a Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. It's a resin printer. They're really high quality. I don't know if they're structurally as good as the other one. And I also got the wash station for it and the drying station and all that stuff down there. And I know you need 99% alcohol, but I'm going to do this as a pre-wash, which ChatGPT said was fine, and I still haven't got all the stuff in from Amazon, like the 99%. So basically, I want to talk about AI. I was looking at models to print, and they were for sale. I'm like, oh, these look good. And then had a little AI warning. I'm like, well, what is this? And it said basically that this model was made through AI. And I said, well, I didn't know I could do that. So I want to print little miniatures for tabletop gaming. So I was looking where to buy them, and it said that, and I thought, cool. I thought, I wonder if I could do something, because I got the, I went over here, hold on, there we go. I was going to do them because it's very toxic, these printers. Well, at least that's, there's some debate, but I'm going to go with it, err on the side of caution. So I bought the fabric enclosure tent, and I got some dryer hose here that I was going to take and vent it and build the thing for the window and all kinds of stuff, and use a fan to power ventilate there. I thought, you know, I'm looking on Thingiverse for a STL file that I could use to print, and I didn't have one. So I did this instead after I saw that AI warning. I went ahead and saw this little vent built in here. So I put a dollar bill over it, not even an engineering ruler, a dollar bill, and took a picture straight on, multiple angles. And I told ChatGPT I need a vent to connect this hose to this fan, and I want to be able to run it outside the window. I said, okay. And I thought, you know, let's see what happens. And this happened. We're now printing it. Oops. We're now printing it, and this will go on the back of the Elegoo Mars 5 resin printer Ultra, and it'll attach the vent hose to it. There's another one will print that'll go to the window over there, or the hose will connect the window and that fan, so it's a reducer in the fan. And they'll let me vent all the volatile stuff outside, so it's safe for the family and the inside. So I know a lot of you guys are on AI, or anti-AI, but I couldn't do this. So this isn't taking jobs from humans, because no human would ever did this job. I couldn't do it. It's just not. And if it did take the job, it'd be from me. So I don't know. Maybe look into that. But I just want to let you guys know what's going on. So yeah, as soon as the other stuff gets here, I'm going to try to print some miniatures. I don't know which one I'm going to buy yet, which set, but we'll figure that out. There's a lot of free ones too on Thingiverse and stuff like that, so I don't know. I think the first thing I'll print is a little rook. I think that comes to the printer. It's a test thing, like the bench sheet for regular computers, I guess. Or regular printers, I don't know. But that's what's up, guys, so yeah. Alright, you guys have a great day, and if you ask any questions I can answer them, I will. Alright, have a good one. Later.